Skeleton can be divided into two main parts, the axial and the appendicular skeleton. So the axial skeleton consists of 80 bones, and it forms the central framework of the body and is responsible for protecting vital organs and providing support. It includes the skull, the vertebral column, and the rib cage. So the skull consists of the cranium, which encases and protects the brain, and the facial bones that provide structure to the face. We have the vertebral column, also known as the spine or backbone. And the vertebral column is a series of bones called the vertebrae that extend from the skull down to the pelvis. And it provides structural support, it protects the spinal cord, and it allows for various degrees of movement. Then we have the rib cage. The rib cage comprises of the ribs, the sternum, and the thoracic vertebra. It encloses and protects the heart, lungs, and other organs in the thoracic cavity. So if we go on to the appendicular skeleton, this has or is composed of 126 bones. So the appendicular skeleton includes the bones of the limbs, so the arms and the legs, and the bones that attach the limbs to the axial skeleton. It plays a significant role in the movement and locomotion. So upper limbs. The upper limbs consist of the shoulder girdle, which is made up of the scapulae and the clavicle. Arm bones, so the main arm bone is the humerus. The forearm bones, so the radius and ulna. And the hand bones, so the carpals, the metacarpals, and the phalanges. In the lower limb, it consists of the pelvic girdle, which is made up of the pelvic bones. The thigh bone, which is the femur. And the leg bones, so the tibia and fibula, and foot bones, so the tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. So the axial and appendicular skeleton together form the entire skeletal framework of the human body, while the axial skeleton provides essential protection and support for vital organs. The appendicular skeleton facilitates movements and interaction with the environment. These two components work together to enable a wide range of activities and functions.